First at 4:30, lobbying for tax breaks is in high gear at the state capitol. That's because Governor Josh Green last week said costs for Maui's recovery are lower than expected, making limited tax relief possible. Daryl Huff has details of the debate.
The wildly fluctuating estimates of how much the Maui disaster would cost put a chill on the idea of tax reform. But now that the door has been opened slightly, there's a lot of competition here over who will get tax breaks.
In addition to losing a little bit on every patient we're seeing, we're also paying taxes.
Dr. Kaohimanu Dang Akiona owns Molokai Family and Urgent Care. With other private practice doctors, she's working hard to get an excise tax exemption they say will save many independent practices.
We're getting more desperate. So, more of us are on the verge of closing.
Senate Money Chair Donovan Delacruz says that's one of the breaks he's considering.
That may be something where we're going to have to address soon, and this bill may be a stopgap measure.
Today, the Senate Ways and Means Committee approved raising the standard deduction from state income tax from about $3,200 to $7,500.
Most people who are of lower middle income class or low income class don't do an itemized deduction. And so this would really help them provide some kind of tax relief.
But the committee didn't go along with an AARP request to expand credits for caregivers, the advocates looking at next year.
It doesn't cover all of them, and we wanted them to be included, basically. So we'll be back.
The Senate and House have only a couple more weeks to figure out how much money is available. Governor Green says there is enough for both the medical professionals and lower-income families to get breaks.
We have over $900 million in projected surplus for this year and over $600 million in projected surpluses for next year. So if the legislature sees fit, we can do both, and it would be excellent for our state.
All of this is pointing to an 11th-hour scramble for money, which has become typical of legislative sessions in recent years. Reporting from the state capitol, Daryl Huff, Hawaii News Now.
Thank you, Daryl.